Welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. Today, well, it's just the middle of August, but we got a Halloween door here. And today we're going to fix this creepy door.
I love it.
Is that better? Mm-hmm. Now in most houses you'll have hinges like this on your interior doors, and there's a pin down the middle of it. The best way to fix these squeaky doors is to lubricate the pin. Okay, to get that pin out, in most cases you need a hammer and a screwdriver. Those are really the only tools you need. And then you need some kind of lubrication. I would recommend some kind of a lightweight machine oil, a 3-in-1 oil, or something like that. Most any kind of light oil will work. You can use a product like WD-40. It will work just fine, but it's a really thin, lightweight oil, so it tends to not work as long. But if you do use the WD-40 or something in an aerosol can, don't just spray your hinge, because you get spray all over your door and outside of the hinge, and it just makes a mess. So I'm going to show you how to lubricate these pins without making a mess of your door. Now in most cases, you put a screwdriver just under the top of the hinge pin, and just take your hammer, tap your screwdriver, and you can get that pin out. Just that easy. Now once you've got your pin out, the first thing you want to do is just take your paper towel and just wipe it off good. You see the crud that just came off of that? You want to get that mess off. And then take your oil and put you a couple light drops of oil on there. Now the oil we got here is a little bit thick, so it's coming out pretty slow. But you don't want to put a lot on there. Just a little bit, and just kind of rub it in like that. And that's all you want to do, just like that. Now, if you choose to use your WD-40, what you want to do, and I dropped my pen, but that's okay. If you want to use your WD-40, don't spray it directly on your pen. Take your WD-40, spray a spot on your rag. Pretending my screwdriver is the pin that you took out. Just take that spot of the rag that you sprayed the WD-40 and wipe that pin. That'll put enough WD-40 on that pin that it'll work just fine. Like I said, I do recommend the 3-in-1 oil because it'll last longer, but if all you got is the WD-40, it'll work fine. Now once you've lubricated your pin, you just stick it back on the top. You may have to wiggle your door a little bit to get it started. Just take your screwdriver, tap it down like that. Now, another side tip I would tell people that just crossed my mind, when you hammer this thing, put your hammer against the wood and let it slide against the wood. If you're back here and you're banging on it, you're going to bang up your wood. If you put your hammer against the wood and let it slide against it, you won't tear up the molding around your door as much. So that's how you put the pin back. Now we've lubricated the pins and the hinges for our creepy door, and it's not a creepy door now. So anyway, that's that for this episode of Do It Yourself with Wayne. We hope you enjoy our videos, and we hope you click like and share it with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel because it helps us grow and it helps us to do more videos to show you how to do things yourself and save yourself some money, because that's what our whole goal is, to help you save money by doing things yourself. So thank you for visiting. Do It Yourself with Wayne. Have a great day.